Hey Wallet Hubbers, today we're talking about short-term loans. Let's start off with a quick overview. Short-term loans are loans that offer small loan amounts and short repayment periods, typically starting at 6 months. The best short-term loans also have relatively low APRs and no origination fees. Now, let's talk about how to get a short-term loan and which ones to avoid. There are a number of short-term loans you need to avoid. Payday loans are not worth the hassle since they're incredibly expensive. You'll also have a very short time to repay the loan. Additionally, auto title loans will give you a portion of what your car is worth, but you put up the title of your car as collateral. If you don't repay the loan, you risk losing your car. The last type of loan you should avoid is a pawn shop loan. Pawn shops allow you to bring your items to the shop and get a portion of their value in cash. You'll have a certain amount of time to repay the loan, but if you don't pay, the shop can sell your items. On the other hand, some above-board alternatives worth exploring include borrowing from friends or family and using a credit card for short-term borrowing. That said, when it comes to actually choosing a short-term personal loan, you'll need to compare your options thoroughly. The most important things to consider when comparing options are the APRs, loan lengths, loan amounts, and fees. In other words, you want the cheapest option that provides you the funding you need. Pre-qualifying can also help you make the application process more efficient. Most people who are pre-qualified end up getting approved, and you can check if you're pre-qualified with multiple lenders at once for free on WalletHub. Lastly, whatever type of short-term loan you decide to get, make a plan to pay it off, ahead of schedule if possible. You have the option to pay off your loans sooner than you're required to, and most lenders will not penalize you for doing so. This will save you money in the long run, along with giving you more financial freedom. Now that you know a little more about short-term loans, it's time to compare your options. To see WalletHub's top-ranked offers, just click the button here.